Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to make your chrome that is rusted. How you're going to re-chrome it back and remove all the rust. As you can see, if you go take your bike to the beach or if you wash it, and sometimes I get all this rust like that. So on this side, I kind of clean it already. As you can see, it is pretty clean, although there's some rust over there still. So I'm going to go over a second coat or the third coat to clean it. So I'm going to show you guys what I used to mix it up to clean it. So what I did was use this distilled white vinegar with 5% acidity. Okay. And then I only use this Crest toothbrush with the extra active vintage. This one's whitening plus scope. So this is only 2 items that I did, and as you can see, it took out all most of the rust right here. So first of all, if you want, you can put some toothpaste over that first, and then I dip some of the vinegar into this cloth or the rag. As you can see, all those rusts come out, and I could add more toothpaste on there and then just keep on rubbing it against the chrome with the rust, and then that will remove the rust. Give you a little demonstration on this one. Main focus is to soak your vinegar onto the rust for a while, and then that will loosen up the rust, and then it's easier to remove it. So we're gonna work on this area. So if you need to apply second, third time to completely take out the rust, you can go ahead and then do that. So maybe you want to leave it there for a little bit, or try to hold down the vinegar with a cloth, and then just kind of soak in a little bit with most of the rust, so it's easier to come off later. So you don't need to use your elbow and grease to try to keep on rubbing it. Sometimes people leave it like 24 hours. So I'm trying to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to do this. So you won't say that I'm making this up or lying to you guys. So you see, and then you need to give a little buff to buff out the rust too, so make it all chrome again. Or if you want to soak it vinegar and then rub around it. you can see, it is much better compared to the other side. So as you can see, it is much better. So I need to work on it a little bit more compared to this side. As you can see, looks pretty nasty. Okay, so since because this one has a basket, so I might remove it. But here's a finished product. When you finish completely, after you finish taking out the rust, this is what's gonna look like. Look at that. Alright. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, and drop in the comments on below. See if this work with you guys. Some other people use baking soda, but I use toothpaste. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.